Hey everybody! Today we're going to be setting up our art space for painting. The first thing that I like to do is put on my apron so that I can keep my clothes clean. If you don't have an apron, an old shirt will do. I also use a painting palette, something to mix my paints on. This is an old plate that I had, but you can use magazines or old paper bags, whatever works for you. You're also going to need a pot of water so that you can rinse your brushes. You're going to need a paper towel to blot your brushes. I like to have different size paintbrushes so that I can paint big spaces, medium spaces, and small spaces. You need a piece of paper to paint on. I like to start out with a pencil drawing, so I always have a pencil nearby. And of course you're going to need some paint. Other things that I like to have is good lighting. So I have my lamp so that I can see better. Okay everybody, now that we're finished painting, it's time to tidy up. First, we're gonna wash our paint palette and clean all this up. Clean your brushes by rubbing them in the palm of your hand under the water. You can store them upright in the brush bucket or flat like this so that the tips don't get bent. Rinse out your water pot, put your artwork somewhere that it'll be safe. Throw away any old paper, and then put your materials back where they belong. Okay everybody, I hope that this video helps you to keep your art centers organized and your tools and materials tidy. Have fun, be creative. Ciao, ciao for now.